In areas beyond cellular coverage, ZOLEO is your lifeline. This video shows you how to easily activate and cancel an SOS using ZOLEO. To send an SOS with your ZOLEO, open the cover and press the SOS button for 3 seconds. Make sure your ZOLEO is facing up with a clear view of the sky. This helps it connect to satellites. In an emergency, you can find SOS instructions printed on the bottom of your ZOLEO device. When the SOS is being sent, the lights will spin red and you'll hear a rising tone. When the SOS has been sent and acknowledged by the Emergency Coordination Center, the SOS LED will double blink red. Your location is automatically sent to the Emergency Coordination Center and updated every 6 minutes until help arrives. If you send an SOS by mistake or no longer need help, press and hold the SOS button for 5 seconds to cancel it. The lights will spin green to show the SOS is being canceled. They'll stop once it's done. To send an SOS using the ZOLEO app, tap the SOS tab at the bottom of the screen. Press and hold the Send SOS button for 3 seconds. After the 10-second countdown, the app will show the SOS progress screen. An SOS active banner will appear. When the Emergency Response Coordination Center acknowledges the SOS, you'll get updates on your SOS status through the app. You can tap the Chat Now button to exchange messages with an emergency response agent. To cancel an active SOS, tap Cancel SOS Alert in the app. Once canceled, you can close the SOS banner. With ZOLEO by your side, you're prepared for the unexpected. Whether you're exploring or working off-grid, ZOLEO keeps you safe and connected. For greater peace of mind, visit ZOLEO.com today.